We begin in the United States, acknowledging the serious situation in the U.S. right now. President Trump is now strongly urging Americans to wear face masks to protect themselves and others against COVID-19. However, as he resumed his White House coronavirus briefings on Tuesday, he also mentioned that vaccine developments could come sooner than expected. Kim Sung-min starts us off.
In his first COVID-19 briefing in months on Tuesday, U.S. President Donald Trump urged Americans to wear face masks in public.
America's youth will act responsibly, and we're asking everybody that when you are not able to socially distance, wear a mask, get a mask. Whether you like the mask or not, they have an impact, they'll have an effect.
Saying that he also wears masks in public, Trump mentioned that wearing a mask could be an act of, quote, patriotism. This statement came as Trump was saying how the situation in the U.S. could get worse before it gets better. However, he did mention that vaccines could also be ready a lot sooner than expected.
2 vaccine candidates are entering the final stage of clinical trials this month. This was achieved in record time. It used to be years before you were in a position like we are right now.
Trump's coronavirus briefing came on the same day that the Pan American Health Organization gave a gloomy view for the region. The head of the organization, Carissa Etienne, said that the virus in the Americas is showing, quote, no signs of slowing down. She said during Tuesday's virtual briefing that some Central American nations have been seeing their highest weekly increases in COVID-19 cases since the start of the outbreak. Around 900,000 new cases were reported in the Americas over the past week, mostly in Brazil, Mexico, and the U.S. As of Wednesday Korea time, the total number of cases around the world has topped 15 million, with some 4 million coming solely from the U.S. But the actual number could be higher, as a study by the U.S. CDC showed data from antibody tests in 10 different cities and states indicate the number of COVID-19 infections was between 2 and 13 times higher than the reported rates. Kim Sung-min, Arirang News.